let's start the introduction about Agile. What is Agile? Agile, it's a mindset, it's a methodology, it's flexible. You can keep on changing it, play around the way you want to do it. It's a team-based approach that focuses on delivering work in small, fast, incremental sprint rather than all at once. Agile is based on 4 values and 12 principles. The most common Agile methodology is your Scrum, the most common. We call it like the lightweight framework, and it's based on 3 pillars: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Next is your daily stand-up. As I told you, it's a 15-minute event. You talk about 3 things: what you did yesterday, what you're planning to do today, and are there any risks or issues. You have a vision, you have a product in mind, right? So you create a product backlog. It contains the product goal, list of all the requirement features to meet the description, order, and size. So product backlog will have everything what is expected out of you from this project. So let's say our product is to construct this apartment building, right? That's our product vision. Retrospective, what went well, what didn't go well, and all those things. That's your lessons learned meeting. Sometimes in the exam, you will see questions where you have a project manager also, a scrum master also, which is very much possible. So don't get confused. But just to understand, typically a scrum master's responsibility is to manage how scrum would be managed throughout the project. Doing agile means like, hey, I've used sprint retrospective. Hey, I use sprint review. But being agile is something which comes from your heart, which comes from your within. This marks the completion of Agile introduction. Next, we're gonna talk about is the project life cycles, another very important topic. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thank you. Here is the look and feel of a new PMP exam simulator. I call it as the Great EHS Simulator, where you will see a lot of videos, lot of questions, and most importantly, the story-based learning methodology we used in our entire simulator. So if you're interested to know more about our Great EHS Simulator, want to learn using a story-based case study approach, click the link given in the YouTube description where you will share your details, and one of my PMP mentors will personally reach out to you, understand your background, and create that free PMP study plan for you so that you can get this 3-letter word PMP after your name. Click the link below.